Hello, in our today's video, we are going to look at the role of max function in Python programming, and I will illustrate the role of max function using just a small code snippet with well-explained examples. The role of max function is to simply scan through stuff containing items and return the item with the highest value. For instance, the stuff can be a list, and a list containing numbers. The max function will scan through that list and return the highest number in that list. We start the first example where we write a is equals, and then we open brackets, and then we write the content of the list, and then we close the brackets. Down there we write print max a, and then we execute. You will see the answer is 9. 9 is the highest number on that list. We move swiftly to a second example where we write b is equals, and then we open brackets, and then we write the content of the list, and then we close the brackets. After that, we will have to write print max b. We swiftly write print max b, and then we execute. Let's wait and see the outcome. Remember, the role of print is to simply display the output to the console. Let's run this small code snippet and see the results. When we run, we'll see the answer 96. 96 is the maximum value on that list. And we now go to a third example where we write c is equals, and we open brackets, and then we write the content of the list, and then we close the brackets. As usual, our next line we will write print max c, and then we run the code and see the output. Just a reminder, remember the role of max function is to simply scan and give you the maximum value on a list. We go ahead and run the code, and you will notice the answer is 78. 78 is the highest value on that list. We go to a final example where we write d is equals, and we open brackets, and we write the content of the list, and then we will close the brackets. After that, as usual, we will down there print max d, and we will execute and see the output. Remember, the role of brackets and commas in our examples is to create a list. We will go ahead and execute, and when we execute, you will notice the output will be the highest number on that list. The output is 8. 8 is the highest number on that list. I want to reiterate on this again. The role of max function in Python programming is to simply scan through a stuff like a list, and then give you the highest value or the item with the highest value on that list. It is one of the most crucial functions used in Python programming. It can be used by data analysts to check the highest number on certain data and many more. So, max function is used to simply scan through a list and give you the maximum value on that list. And I am glad having you watch my video. Follow me on TikTok at MR.BEN Kenya.